Welcome to Abs and Liz for the Win, Episode 2, Girl Scout Lobster Swaps. Welcome back to Abs and Liz for the Win. I'm Abby and this is Lizzie. Today our project is to make tiny lobsters because we like tiny things. We wanted to do this project because my mom looked at some swaps to do during quarantine and we found this and she figured out how to do it, so I was going to send them to friends and I wrote a poem to go with it. It goes like this: hi, and then the person's name. I know it's tough to be inside, so here's a lobster by your side. He's what we call a cute little swap. I hope he makes you smile and bop. I have decided to send you two, one for a friend and one for you. You're writing a letter to a friend far away or than your town. Shoot a lobster in and away from your pile. It will surely make them smile. Hey, Abby, because it's from me. The supplies for this lobster is pipe cleaners, round beads, heart beads, safety pins, tiny googly eyes. It doesn't matter which kind, because this one has these eyes, but this one has the big eyes. So it doesn't. And then you will need a hot glue gun. You might want to ask a parent if you're not allowed to use a hot glue gun. The first step for this project is you need one of your pipe cleaners, fold it in half, doesn't have to be perfect. Grab a safety pin, put it on one end, doesn't matter. Make sure it gets all the way to the bottom. Grab one of your hoop beads, put it on upside down. Make sure it's in the line. Okay, perfect. Then twist it 3 times. And that would be its tail. And then you would need to make its body. So grab 3 of the round beads, take one of them and put it on one end, then put the other end through the bead, pull both ends, and make sure it's kind of even, round evenish. It's fine if it's like that. Then just do that again with the other 2. Put it on one end, put the other end through, pull it, then do that one more time. Put it through, put the other end through, pull it up 2 ends, make sure they're tight enough. Then it's time for the claws. Yay! Well, first, maybe twist it. Yeah, if it's long, twist it.
Can you show us what it looks like at this step?
Yeah.
So what should it look like now, girls?
It should look like, it should have the tail. It should have the tail on and the 3 beads in the middle. And this should be twisted. It should be twisted in up here.
Hold on. Mommy's doing a bad job filming.
Shh. And now to put the claws on. Yay! Like I said, make sure you twisted it a tiny bit. This time, you can put it on right side up. Make sure it's like maybe close-ish to it, not exactly in the middle, maybe a little bit closer to it. Fold the back and then twist it tight, as tight as you can. Make sure it's tight enough.
So you're twisting the extra down the claw arm, right?
Yeah. Then we shall do that again on the other claw. Again, right side up. Closest to the body. Make sure it's in line with the other one, so it doesn't look like this one's so short compared to that one. That'll be awkward. Fold it back, but not all the way. Then fold that extra piece around the lobster's arm until there's no more that you can wrap. And now it's time for the hot glue gun. If you need a parent still, you might want to pause this. Okay, now my assistant will be helping with the glue gun because she is closest to it. So you would put 2 dots or 1 big line on it, but make sure it's on the right side. Make sure it's on the right side where you can see the top of the hearts. Like that. You can pick any eyes, Lizzie. I don't care. Again, put 2 tiny dots or 1 big line here to put the eyes on. And if any eyes, maybe only this big. It can only be that big for the eyes. Because, like, see the eyeball, like, this eyeball is like, this wouldn't work. But, like, this one would work. See? There's a big difference. This one's way big. Way bigger. Whoa. Ta-da! Aren't they so cute? Since we finished showing you how to make the lobster, my assistant needs to take a break to do something. I'm not sure, I forgot. They might have told me something, but I don't remember. I'm going to tell you about these other swaps. This one is a sleeping bag. It's just a long roll of felt rolled up with some like tiny rubber bands on it. It doesn't matter which color, then you just put the safety pin on. Then this is, this light brown one is sticky felt, and both sides. But these, the marshmallow and the chocolate aren't. This Who Me the Worm is made out of 2 pipe cleaners, any color, the googly eyes that we used, and some fake leaves. And then pipe cleaner. And then a safety pin. Then this is the finished product of the donut from our last episode. You don't have to put on this tape. We just happened to have some tape that we could use, and you can just put some. You can put like any color string on. See, this is mine that I made, and this is that's Lizzie's. Oh yeah, we have a special guest today! Yay! It's mine and Lizzie's. It's our cat, May. Yay! So, Mary, what do you think of our lobsters from today? Oh, I want to eat them. They look yummy. Okay. Well, thanks for being on the show, Mary. You're so awesome. Yay. My assistant will put him back in his natural habitat downstairs. Well, we did end up finding some stuff for the gnomes that we talked about in the last episode, but the only thing we could think about is the nose. We didn't know if it should be a bead or model magic, but the rest we have figured out, I think. Well, thanks for watching. Bye!